the Revelation Spiritual Home. Akulona-ke isonto leli.
Oh, okay. Interesting already. Let me take my pen because I can see it's about to go down.
Yeah. Ngisho-ke says imboni-ke njengoba ngithi it's a guider. And umuntu ekuthiwa imboni kahle kahle uhlukile kunomuntu ekuthiwa umthandazi.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Iline eyi-1, iline ezithunywa, yabo. Mase kuthiwa umuntu ekuthiwa umthandazi usebenza ngesithunywa naye. Yikho ekhuleka. And therefore also it's important that uma sikhuluma izinto, especially njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ngathi ubuthina busilahlekele. Now a lot of Europeans came here bafike bas-documenta, bafaka into zabo. Manje i-proper information kumele udike uyithole.
We hear about manifestation or secret. How important is inkolo in one manifesting their dreams? So now our point now is enkolweni.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata.
Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani, I am your chef, and I've got handsome man, a gentleman, udokotela, ubaba sawubona.
Sawubona.
Kunjani?
Siyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. Yazi ukuthi into engiphilisa kakhulu yini? Bahlale bethi amaphupho ayafezeka. I am a testimony of that. Me sitting with you today. That's me sitting with you. But anyway, let me not take a shine away from you because we've got a lot to talk about.
Yeah.
Let's hear our Munchies and Thoughts family with Batini. But please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? And what's special about you?
Cha asibonge ngihlonishwa ubuzwilezwe eHadebe. Singasho ke sithi igama lomoya le. Udokotela ngiphuma ngihola institution the Revelation Spiritual Home. Akulona ke isonto leli.
Oh, okay. Interesting already. Let me take my pen because I can see it's about to go down.
Yeah. Ngisho-ke says singathi ke ngama spiritual centers. It's a spiritual institution.
Okay.
Yeah, ayisonto kusho ukuthi lapho ke kulapho ke ngenza khona umsebenzi ke wakamoya. Ukusuka lapho ke ngiphinde ngibe business person.
Okay.
Okunye abantu abangakwazi lokho. I'm heading a company abayibiza i-Trillion Cut Investments. Yeah, I think we have about 27 companies within phakathi kwayo. Ngizalwa ke indawo abathi Cape Town. Kapa Lotumo. That's where I'm born.
Oh.
Yes, okay. That's where I'm born, yeah. In short.
Oh.
No.
Okay. Dokotela. I'll call you Dokotela.
Yes.
Interesting. Before sizoqhubeka, maybe umungathanda ukushare ama number wakho in case after this episode some of the Munchies might want to contact you.
Yes.
Dokotela wam, before we proceed, ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi I don't take you for granted. And thank you so much for taking your time to come and sit with me here, and of course the Munchies that are watching us. I always do a cheers. I don't know because you are having your coffee.
Yeah.
Will you do a cheers with me?
Please, yeah.
That's what the wonderful cheers.
Cheers.
At least you know after cheers we drink.
Yeah.
Because a lot will happen.
Yeah.
And you I get. Anyway, mama Khaya, sikasichazile ukuthi ungubani ubuyaphi, and of course beningcelile nangempela ngaphendula, because as I always say, this show is not for me but it's for all of us, and the main purpose of this show is to educate and enlighten. Whatever lesingakhona ukuyenza, of course we will do it and I will deliver. Dokotela wami, ngiyazi ukuthi uyimboni. Imboni gogo. Something like that?
Yeah, yes.
So maybe if you can, just before we start, just explain in short, like an overview, what is imboni exactly? For someone that is watching the episode, not knowing what imboni kahle iyini.
Yeah. Asibonge lapho uzongixolela ke mina esikhathini esiningi mangichaza ngithanda ukukhuluma izinto within a context.
Okay.
So sometimes I would give a bit of a background. Ngicabanga ukuthi the issue yokuthi silahlekelwe ubuthina abantu bayithatha lightly lento into enkulu leyo ubuthina busilahlekele, and that is why namuhla singazi ukuthi imboni yini, ukulahlekelwa ubuthina nezinto zethu. Imboni ke uma sichaza shortly, imboni is a spiritual guide, umuntu oguidayo ngokuka moya. That was imboni is. So imboni ke yona ke isebenza kicala leli kulomkhakha lo wesithunywa.
Oh.
Holwa isithunywa. But imboni mase sikhuluma nge-spiritual hierarchy, umuntu ke uhleli phezulu kule hierarchy. In terms of uguide spiritually. Uma ke sibuyele emuva kuzo inkathi zamakhosi noma ubukhosi. Inkosi ke lapho sasinayo traditional king of course owaye umholi wezwe, kube khona ke umuntu ekuthiwa imboni. Imboni ke ulona ke ebekade yena ke exhumanisa izwe lenyama sithi ke nezwe lomoya, esendlulisa ke nemlayezo ephuma ezweni lomoya to the nation. Uyena akasemtshela ke inkosi ukuthi cha izwe lomoya lithi akwenziwe kanje akwenziwe kanje. So that's what imboni is. Imboni is a spiritual guide, ngumuntu oguidayo ngokomoya.
Okay. A general question again. Do we have enough izimboni in our country?
Okay, very interesting question. Imboni ngabantu aba i-office ephezulu le. Zowenza example isangoma. Ngingazi noba yi-line up questions na. Kodwa isangoma is a healer. But if that's part of we will maybe further interrogate that, that's fine. Okwamanje nje ngiyenze kanje ikwazi ukucaca abantu. Isangoma is a healer. Imboni ke njengoba ngithi it's a guide. And umuntu ekuthiwa imboni kahle kahle uhlukile kunomuntu ekuthiwa umthandazi.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Iline eyi-1, iline ezithunywa, yabo. Mase kuthiwa umuntu ekuthiwa umthandazi usebenza ngesithunywa naye, yikho ekhuleka. Imboni ihleli phezulu kula hierarchy. Njengoba ihleli phezulu kanje ke imboni, abantu laba esibabona beqhamuka every 100 years ukuthi bazo spiritually guide i-nation. Akhonakala ukuthi sibe nezimboni eziningi, because uma sinemboni eziningi confusion leyo. As I'm saying ukuthi imboni is not just umuntu nje mhlambe kuthiwa i-healer umelaphi, but is a guide of a nation. So imboni every 100 years ziyafika. We have a research institution. I think angikufake saqala nje lokho. Ngihamba inyawo eziwu2. Unyawo lami lokuqala ukwembulelwa. I think sometimes it's important kwezi platforms abantu sibe clear kubona ukuthi siyithatha le information. Yabo. Lokho mana abantu bekhuluma ku podcast everywhere where sometimes we don't understand ukuthi uyakhuluma but when ukuthatha kuphi lokho kushoyo. Ngiyembulelwa mina ke. Ngokuthi ngiyimboni. Ngibe neunyawo ke ole research organization ababiza African Hidden Voices engayivula. Ngiyivulela ekutheni kwi-era esiphila kuyo bobuningi nje ubugebengu nento ezingekho. Abantu namhlanje ba question into eziningi, and therefore also it's important that uma sikhuluma izinto, especially njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni ngathi ubuthina busilahlekele. Now a lot of Europeans came here bafike document bafaka into zabo. Manje i-proper information kumele udike uyithole. Mama ngizoqhamuka mina la ngifike ngihlale ngikhulume ngezinto la ngithi ngiyembulelwa, that's fine. Kodwa ngibukela uzothi siyakuzwa but sazi kanjani. Njengoba ulokuthi mandulo kwakunjalo vele. We need to have a research that's going to be factual. We need to have a research that's going to say no ukhadebe ukhuluma iqiniso, or noma i-research ithi ayi cha akuhlangana. Yikho ke ngavula ke i-research organization. Kusho ukuthi mina ngiyihead, bakhona abayiheadayo ngoba ngesipho sami akusumuntu oresearchayo, but bakhona ke abakhona abayiheadayo. And senza kanjani ukuthi mina ngiyembulelwa nakho konke esikhuluma ngakho ke African spirituality, that research needs to come in now and say no, truly kwakuso. And remember masikhuluma ngeAfrica sikhuluma ngeSouth Africa kuphela, sikhuluma ngeAfrica. And now we need to have a lot of reference from what was happening in South Africa on spiritual matters and what was happening in Kenya, what was happening in Uganda, elsewhere in Africa. Because remember, Dali Africa did not have borders before. So you can't have only things that are only found in African spirituality South Africa, because then it raises a question. So that's why in a research, lokuzana ngithangisho lokho, so that abantu bazi ukuthi engikushoyo ngikusho from ekumbulelweni and also on factual basis in terms of research. So imboni zazikhona emhlonishwa zazikhona, research confirms that. There few that it's a little bit hard ukuzibona ngoba zazi few vele kwamandulo. Angisho kunye ngithi imboni before mina ngifike ngicabanga ukuthi angibheke lo ubaba umuthwa Credo Muthwa. Ubaba uCredo Muthwa wayeyimboni, he lived up to about I think cishe afike ku100. Imina vele umbekile. My organization abantu bami lokho behamba senza lo msebenzi methu umuntu. Ubaba Muthwa says hawu uHade usaphila. Bathi baba Muthwa baba uHade bumazi kanjani? Hawu no siyazana ngiyamazi ukumoya baba uHade. Abese bechazela ke waseveza namanye amagama ami omoya uthi viza indaba ngikhuluma amaqiniso tshela abantu kunje noma ke before ahambe ke izikhona ibonakaliswa ayinazo umndeni ukhona wakufakazela lokho. Ipoint la ngiyakhona ngizama ukuthi bayazana laba bantu because every 100 years imboni ziyafika. Ugogo Anamantsupa, the sister of inkosi uMshweshwe Lesotho, wayeyimboni. She lived 100 and odd years ago. Wakhipha isambulo abantu ke bajwayele igama elithi isiprofeto ngehlubi eliyoqhamuka waselisho liyogqoka kanjani liyobelenza kanjani walisho. So uma bekubheka ke ikhona izikole esazithola le eFitchburg ezathi mazizwa ngami za compare zathi no uyena lo muntu ayikhuluma ngayo exactly about 100 and odd years ago.
Wow. Baba laba emakhaya nimzwile ubaba uHadebe uchazile okuningi, and I love it baba mawuthi uyambulelwa and kunane research because siyakuthanda ukukhuluma izinto but singazi exactly ukuthi zibuyapi. Into eletha a lot of confusion to whoever that is watching or whoever that is out there, because we need to come and bring facts at the same time. I hope you are still enjoying us, my munchies, and thank you so much. Baba namhlanje sizokhuluma ngemboni. Sizokhuluma ngenkolo nangesiphiwo. Yes, I've got some few questions. My first questions, when I was asking imboni, but now I just want to understand what is the difference between imboni and ugogo.
Ugogo isangoma.
Yebo baba.
Isangoma okokuqala ngithi bonke labantu babuya kwi-African indigenous spirituality. Namuhla ngifuna abantu bakwazi lokho because bathanda ukuthi bakhiphe izangoma out of African spirituality. Isangoma sibuyi ki-religion. Isangoma siphuma ki-African indigenous spirituality phecelezi ezomoya zakwantu. Isangoma is a healer, inhlonishwa. And then ke I've incorporated ama-linguistics kwi-research team yami to assist us. Singazenzi expert yezinto esingazazi because the language is important. Because we find ukuthi kwi-language kunento ezibizihluki. Now uma sizwa ngegama lesizulu lithi ubungoma noma isangoma kuthiwa umuntu wengoma. It's correct, umuntu wengoma, but ingoma is not really a big part of the issue, of the equation. It's just a part of it. Isangoma is a healer. Udokotela wesintu. 1. 2. Isangoma umxhumanisi between abaphilayo nabangasekho. Mase sikhuluma ke kwi-issues ze-research nani, kwi-theory yami ngiyikhomba the downward theory. That is included in incwadi yami. The downward theory. Ngelinye ilanga sokuchaza kusho ukuthini lokho. Isangoma umxhumanisi wabaphilayo nabangasekho. Aphinde abe yi-custodian yamasiko and cultures, because uma ukhuluma ngabantu abangasekho you can't leave a tradition behind, ngoba vele ibona abaqala lezi zinto emuva ziyaqhubekela ziyaphambili. Yikho ubona ukuthi uma kwenziwa amasiko isangoma umuntu oba part of it, because nguyena kumele akwazi ukuxhumana nabadala ukuthi bathini ngalento ezokwenziwa, and then ke most of all uyaphilisa ke nge-indigenous methods. That is isangoma. Imboni ke njengoba ngishilo bonke African spirituality but isangoma singaphi edluzini. Imboni ungaphi isithunyweni.
Okay.
Behluka laba bantu laba. Hence ngithi i-downward ngibiza i-downward theory ne-upward theory. Isithunywa i-upward theory. Yikho kuthiwa isithunywa. Uthunywe ubani? Umxhumanisi wabaphilayo nomdali.
Oh, interesting kuxolo. So uthi isangoma singumxhumanisi wabangasekho
Yeah,
nabaphilayo. Then imboni umxhumanisi isithunywa uthe isithunywa
esithunyweni imboni noma umthandazi but imboni sikhuluma imboni xhumanisi wabaphilayo
nomdali.
nomdali.
Wow, okay. Interesting.
Nezinto zomdali. That is why uzwa uma nginganikeza nje i-wisdom on top of that. Yikho ungezwe uzwe ebungomeni kakhulu uzwe indaba zomdali kakhulu. Of course kuba khona ke izangoma ezithi ziphethe kokubili ziphethe idlozi nesithunywa. Kulapho kozuzwa khona ilanguage engathi
Iyashintsha manje iyaconfuse futhi.
Iyashintsha. Kodwa mase ngikhuluma ke ngesangoma athakanaso isithunywa sisho kanjalo. Yabo uphethela amakhehla akudala. Futhi lana ngizokutshela with experience futhi ongathi noma umuntu wakho ungamsa endaweni ekuthiwa isonto ye-religion. Amakhehla khona amkhipha manje. Wafuna uyibona indawo enjalo. Ngoba abantu yila makhehla akudala ungakafiki i-religion eAfrica. Sengikhuluma ke isangoma ke pure. Umxhumanisi wabo ke and then lo esithunywa ke umxhumanisi womdali. Yikho njengoba ngisho esangomeni asizwa kakhulu inkulumo ehlangene nomdali. Kodwa sizwa inkulumo ehlangene nabantu abadala. That's why esikhathini esiningi izangoma accused ukuthi they are worshiping ancestors. Yabona these accusations phuma kuphi? Ngoba abantu sebamoshwa yi-religion. Kumele ngisebenzise igama elithi bamoshwa yi-religion that they started to view ezomoya zakwantu in a religious context. So ngoba manje uma usufika esangomeni awuyizwa lenkulumo kakhulu yomdali then bese uqale bathi they worship. And that's not a point. Isangoma umxhumanisi walabo abangasekho. Lona uthi nginesithunywa. Uthunywa ubani lo? Uthunywe umdali ne-deities. Yikho kuthiwa isithunywa. Isangoma umuntu uhamba phansi. Nginayo nalo explanation encwadini yami. Uhamba phansi hamba ngenyawo ngoba vele ngumuntu wabantu abadala. Masibakhomba sithi abantu abaphansi. Usithunywa ngumuntu okhomba phezulu. Uyayibona? Kufana nani ubona ukugqoka ufaka amabhayi lo isangoma. Of course before amabhayi kwakuzikhumba. Asikhulume njengale era singayi too much back. Isithunywa kumuntu ofaka ingubo ngathi uSuperman, yabo. Kufakwa namalokhuzana
ama-EP
EP.
Yes.
Uma ke uzothonga asithinte nje kancane. Uma kuzothonga asithi uzothonga indaba zobungoma or isipho sobungoma kanjalo nje. Uthonga kakhulu abantu abangasekho uthunga phansi. Uma uzothonga asithi ngaphi isithunywa uzothonga umuntu ondizayo.
Okay.
Yabo. Idlozi meliqhamuka ngisho ethongweni aliqhamuke lindiza, liqhamuka lihamba phansi.
Yeah.
Either uyalibona ehlathini noma entabeni ulibonele liqhamuka emanzini kanjalo nje olihamba. Kodwa isithunywa uma uzosithonga ngisho uzosithonga sindiza. Yikho sifaka lento engathi ngoba vele isithunywa simele umuntu omele phezulu, omele ukuxhumana nomdali. Yikho isithunywa sama nendaba zomkhuleko kanjalo nje. Bephikise banye bathi umkhuleko awungeke eAfrica waqhamuka ne-religion. Umkhuleko akubona we-religion. Ngoba ngisho kona ukuphahla umkhuleko uxhumana nabantu abangasekho. But esithunyweni sixhumana nezidalwa. Yikho sithi idalwa. Kunezidalwa zomoya.
Wow. My munches, I hope you are still having fun because I am a learner. I'm a learner. Yeah. Every episode that I'm doing or everybody that I bring here, yes, just to take you out now. There's an episode I did yesterday with a young gentleman, Usmat Makosi Sizwe. Besikhuluma ngamalinda, umoya wamalinda. Now ngiyakuzwa ukhuluma ngamakhehla or izirokazi zakudala because that's one of the things he mentioned yesterday.
Yeah.
So it excites me because everything that I'm doing, iyalink somewhere somehow. And hearing you, because he did touch with yes, kuna izangoma zakudala. Kuna banda abanemoya yakudala. and abafani vele the way things are happening.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's proceed. Okay, thank you so much. Are you still fine?
I'm right.
Do you want us to do a chess?
You're right.
Because I don't mind, I can give you my choice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, Bob. Now, my second question here. We hear about manifestation or secret. How important is inkolo in one manifesting their dreams? So now our point now is senkolweni.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhlawumbe ngifuna ukuchaza ke futhi I'm not technical and I don't believe ukuthi sibe sisijula kakhulu indaba zoku technical. Kunabantu abafuna ba technical with words and things. Kodwa ke at the same time I still say kunele kumele sizicorrect kancane in terms of the language because of since sonke we are now relearning sibuyela into yethu. Now igama lithi inkolo angiqale nje lapho li problematic because kahle in spirituality asinayo inkolo. In spirituality sikhuluma nge-term ethi ukwazi or to know.
Okay.
Angijule kancane lapho.
Jula ba.
Inkolo ukukholwa. It's attached to religion. Religion it's faith in English. Ngesintu kuthiwa inkolo. Now in African spirituality kwezomoya zakwantu we can't believe. Angeke uze ukholelwe ukuthi idlozi lakini likungenile. Uyakwazi lokho. Angeke ngikholelwe ukuthi isithunywa sikhona. Ngoba umoya wami uyayazi lonto. That's why sithi kwezomoya sithi ukwazi, knowing, ngiyazi. Kwi religion we are talking about belief because it's a system esingayazi eyalethwa kithi. That's why we must have faith. That's why we must believe in that thing. Ngoba umoya wethu awuyifakazile lento. Umoya wethu awuyazi lento. And ukholo it's of mind not umoya. Umoya ukholo, umoya uyazi. Kodwa mind that you must convince so that ikwazi ukukholelwa. So ngicabanga ukuthi ke eligama lithi inkolo kahle kahle for mina ngibona ukuthi igama kumele sithi sihlehlise. Yikho sithi ezomoya zakwantu. Indaba zomoya. Nasebungomeni angeke ulizwe igama lithi ukukholwa ngoba angeke ukholelwe idlozi ngiyalazi ukuthi likhona. So uma siza kwezomoya zakwantu sikhuluma indaba yethongo nalapho kithongo ayiphupho because iphupho it's a dream, just a normal dream angithi uthathe ithombe manje mulala ebusuku it all comes back.
Yes.
Lento esithi iphupho. Kodwa uma sisibheka kahle ithongo nephupho ziyehluka ngoba ithongo yikho ngesixhosa I said languages play a role here. In Xhosa abantu abadala banokubizwa amathongo. Ithathwa from ithongo, meaning that uma ngine phupho, a dream, ene spiritual meaning, iyasuka ke manje from iphupheni sengibiza ithongo manje. But the moment ingana spiritual meaning, it just remains nje iphupho. Ayizolo ngiphupha imoto eblue, uyabo iphupho. The moment lento isenencazelo, i-visitation manje. Bengivakashele ngoba ithongo phela i-spiritual visitation. Kune activity biyenzeka lapho mampela. Hayi ephupheni akuna spiritual activity. Seyasuka lento now isiya into esithi manje ithongo. Usho ukuthi manje ngithongile. It means kune spiritual activity beyenzeka manje izolo. Ithongo ke lelo. Manje ke ithongo uma siza kwezomoya zakwantu into ebaleke kakhulu. Example uyazi ukuthi ithongo uyakhona ukuthi udiagnose impilo yomuntu ngethongo. Ithongo plays a very important role in diagnosing into eziningi ngomuntu ngoba emini ubusy kanje nje wenza i-talk show wenza konke lokho kwenzayo nalokho kwenzayo i-attention yakho kwizinto zomoya ayikho that high because i-brain yakho busy with activities. Kodwa uma usulele ebusuku umqondo uphumulile umoya yikho sithi umoya uyaphakama ebusuku. That's why normally ebusuku spiritual activities are higher.
True.
It's simply because your physical activities are lower. Then masikhuluma i-physical activity la kakhulu sikhuluma ngebrain yakho. Urelaxile manje. Spiritual activities are higher. Umoya manje uyakwazi ukupay more attention kwezinye izimo zomoya. Seliqhamuka manje ithongo ke manje. So ithongo lakho i-communication eziningi ngawe ngabakini idalwa zakini that is amadlozi that is ithunywa konke nje kwakho kusiyoqhamuka ke ngamathongo. That's why umuntu osebenza abantu noma usiza abantu spiritual. Sangoma umthandazi imboni, you'll notice that itongo plays a very big role. You'll notice itongo. You'll notice ukuthi ubuzwa kakhulu ngetongo ngoba libaleke kakhulu empilweni yomuntu.
So, itongo, okay. Just for my own information. Then idlozi.
Idlozi lipart, okay, itongo, i-10.
10 years.
Yeah, sengisho ngithi iphupho means dream.
Yes.
Mulele, no spiritual activity.
Yes.
Uma ulele asithi ayibe kanje, uma ulele ube nephupho kodwa kunama spiritual activity. Sesilibiza ukuthi uyathonga. Itongo. Asasho ukuthi uyaphupha, sithi manje uyathonga.
Okay.
So indaba yedlozi iqhamuka kuphi? Iqhamuka bengisho ukuthi ngolwimi lesixhosa. Banokubiza amadlozi amathongo. Isizathu why bawabiza amathongo ngoba ngabantu abafika ngethongo ebusuku.
Okay. No, I will ask questions there and there. Because remember, and the managers as well, they need to learn. But to say right?
I'm right.
Okay. As long as you're right, I'm happy and excited. Okay. There's another question. If our paths are already destined, then why are we taught to manifest our desires when our destiny is already decided?
Yeah, let's really appreciate what the spiritual things are deep as humans. The brain, if you look, understand everything. I say appreciating that into the more deep. Ngivamisa ukuthi every human being ophilayo ugifted anyway. Abantu abangalenzi leli phutha liking to say ukuthi nangu umuntu ogift. We are all gifted. Sizalwa nezipho sonke nje emhlabeni.
Wow.
All of us. It's a special sonke.
Wow.
Kube khona ke izipho zehlukene. Bekho izipho zika moya. Ubungoma ngizofaka phakathi nalapha. Bekho izipho zika moya. Uma ke sesiza ke izipho zika moya nomuntu onesipho. We need ukuthi manje sizume in and understand the life yalo muntu lo from what I would term an ordinary person. So when we talk about our destinies, nezwe lomoya mina libiza kizwe lomoya. Ukuthi life zethu we predestined already. Kumele sihlukanise ukuthi sikhuluma ngabani. When we talk about abantu abanezipho zikamoya spiritual gifts, then you are talking something else because example if unesipho sobungoma, of course abakini bakuphela leso sipho ngoba babe khona umelaphi. Kumele uhambe londlela leyo. And if you choose or imboni or abathandazi, you were chosen to do that. Kumele uhambe lo line leyo. When it comes there ukuthi okay mhlawumbe angisafuni lokhu or I have other dreams that I have. Okokuqala angizoba specific for reasons. Kunabantu namhlanje abakopayo.
I know, but especially now we've got my shows like this, we've got social media. Yes, as you proceed.
Yeah, so angizojula la.
Not a problem.
But izipho ezinjalo kukhona ukwazi ukwenziwa but ekumele kuvuma abantu bakini. But whatever that you are going to do, example, asithi unesipho, sikhuluma isipho manje ubungoma noma umoya. Whatever that you are going to be doing, it has to be aligned nale gift ophiwa yona. The moment that you start doing, asithi uphiwa ubungoma, wenza izinto with your desires. Because if you talk about it destiny, mhlawumbe ukhuluma nama desire ifiso zakhe life.
Indeed.
If they are not aligned, you understand ukuthi now kuzobana i-conflict ne-gift yakho. That sometimes maybe whatever that you are doing uzokhipha kwisipho sakho. Then uzoba nenkinga lapha. It does not mean ukuthi your future was destined ngabantu abadala and therefore why should you manifest any you can be ezinye izinto but they have to be aligned nesipho sakho. Angiqale ngikuphendule lokho. Okunye ke kulombuzo ubuzayo engicabanga ukuthi mhlambi kungasiza. Again, every human being, even normal people, why should standards, why should sebenzisa izinto ukuthi if our lives were destined? I don't think impilo zethu we're totally destined in terms of every minute of your life on earth. Life yakho ngasho ngithi it was destined in terms of the overall life oyiphilayo. ngikhulumile ngezipho ke destiny vele kuthiwa uzokwenza lokho.
Yes.
In a normal person okwenza okunye enze nenye into elifini. For me, I don't think that you were destined ukuthi akumele usebenze akumele wenzeni. No, you are not. You are free uphila impilo yakho. But izwe lo moya nabantu bakini, there are certain expectations that are expected kithi, even umdali. And that is, if siyazibheka, is basic things in life. There's a basic in life that mina nawe, even nje sikhula, besizazi ngoba it is those things that subconsciously besifundiswa ngazo endlini. Be a good person yenza okuhle life. Philisana ne-nature nani. These are the things engizothi umdali nezwe lomoya expects us to do good emhlabeni. If we talk about destiny without gifts, that's what we are talking about. Wow. But everything else in life, you will decide ukuthi ufuna ukwenzani empilweni yakho, ufuna uyakuphi life yakho, and to reach those things, kumele u-assist spiritually. Hence, even your own idalwa zakini, ithunywa zakini, namadlu zakini, if you go to people bekusiza, they are part of assisting you.
Oh, okay.
If you understand until.
Okay.
So if then your life was destined like in a box, so they would not assist you to manifest its desires. Life. They are there to assist you. Very dollars again, they are there. Unlike the religion that told us that we are being assisted by some humans, just
people that we don't know.
No.
Wow. Thank you so much, Baba. My munches, you know, Baba, you just said something very, 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 very important and profound. And I really want to share with the munches when you say we are all special. My munches and thoughts family, whoever that is watching this video, please know that you are special. And no one will ever take that speciality from you that is given to you. Why I'm saying this, we are going through a lot. Abantwana, they are going through a lot. Bullied at school, people that are working, bullied at work. A lot is happening in the country, in the world. So, kumele sikhumbuzane how important we are, how special we are. That will make us live a healthy life and be happy like me. Okay, but can these people be misguided? Can a person's dream mean the opposite of what they see in a dream? And how can one tell the difference between a real message from your ancestors and the incorrect message that's led one astray?
Yeah. Again, appreciate spirituality is deep. Okokuqala ngithi ithongo elakho. Ithongo la abantu abangalenzi leliphutha logo bethatha interpretations zamathonga abanye abantu belogo beziletha kubona, because that's very, very dangerous. Kunalento soyibiza sithi there are general dreams, general explanations. Kusho ukuthi lama general kanjani, it's because of those certain experiences over time, you know, besizibona ukuthi ziyafana. Example lapho to enlighten umuntu mhlambe kuthiwana uhlushwa idlozi melathwasa angisho. There's a lot of similarities within a dream. Othonga amanzi, thonga abantu abadala, thonga amabhali, but it does not mean wonke umuntu onjalo kumele athwase.
Amen.
Uyayibona into enjalo. So ile nto ngithi ama general dreams, but ithongo li individual. Ithongo lakho elakho, and that is why ithongo lakho lihamba within a context ethize. So masihlelana ithi baphadebe izolo ngithonge ngenze example nje, ngithonge lesi sihlahla sikhuluma. Uyabo, kungenzeka ukuthi uma mina ngichaza amathongo mangibheka ngithi cha awuthi ngibone lalela ke before that or after that ke kwenzakalani engisakhumbuli vele ngathonga nje isihlahla sikhuluma ngaphaphama ngaso. Mhlambe ngithi kwena lalela ke ithongo lakho aliphelele. Uyabo, hamba uyophahla uma uphahla, okhuleka uma ukhuleka, ucele yokuthi elithongo abakhulume nawo bakutshela ukuthi bethini, because ithongo lihamba ngecontext. Sometimes ithongo aliphelele, imessage ayiphelele, sometimes iphelele. So a point engidrivayo is that ithongo li individually lakho, and kumele ithongo uchazelwe umuntu onasi isipho to interpret the dream, hayi nanoma ubani. ngoba uma ucela nanoma ubani uzoku-interpretela nje into wrong. Going to your question ukuthi amathongo, can they be misinterpreted? Of course. Amathongo gets misinterpreted by who? Abantu abachaza amathongo bengazi ukuthi amathongo asho ukuthini.
Okay, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you are still enjoying us. And of course, let me remind you, I am still an author of this book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. Remember, before a Munchie, I am an author. And before an author, I am a Munchie. If you want this book, you can DM me, email us, WhatsApp us. And of course, the book is only 300 Rand and we deliver across South Africa via Pexi. And to everybody that's got the book already, I want to say thank you so much. Your testimonies are beautiful and I am so happy that you are healing from this book. As we proceed, anything that you want to say to the Munchies before I go to my other question? Any word of wisdom that you might want to share with them or whoever that is watching this show? We spoke about so many things already, so I believe that you've got some word of wisdom that you might want to share with them.
Ngicabanga ukuthi word of wisdom yami is that isizwe esilahla ububona isizwe esifile. Masikhuluma nge-African indigenous spirituality, asikhulumi nge-religion, asikhulumi nge-hobby, asikhulumi only ngobungoma. Funeka ngijule lapho. Asikhulumi only ngobungoma. Sikhuluma nge-spirituality sethu, ezomoya zethu. The only way ukuthi Africans to find themselves kumele bazifinde not only politically, not only economically, but spiritually. That's when we are going to find, and not only traditionally and culturally, but we must find ourselves spiritually.
Wow. We must find ourselves spiritually. That was beautiful. Thank you. I saw one of your videos. I think it was trending on social media, or I checked your page as well. I don't know, but I think I saw it on TikTok, where there was a ceremony. So I just want you to give your thoughts, your opinion. Why am I causing and why I'm asking this? Remember, I love it when you say somebody is coming in modern life and African spirituality. Right now, sesphila esikhathini samanje. And then ngithandile mawuthi kumele uzazi ukuthi kahle kahle ungubani. So I just want to understand, because that was a very interesting video, but I lack knowledge ukuthi kanti kahle kahle why kwenziwa kanje, because thina sazi ukuthi uma kuzogcotshwa inkosi upresident, like the other king in KZN, I'm not going to mention his name, the president was the one who issued the letter ukuthi yes, this is the real king of whatever nation. So I just want to understand your opinion on that point.
Izosibuyisela emuva. Kwakunjani before, kunjani namhlanje. Colonization uyayihamba ne-religion. Amakhosi awehamba ney'mboni zabantu, spiritual advisors, ehamba nezangoma zobukhosi. Babexhumanisa bekhuluma indaba zabantu abangasekho. So these are the two people. Imboni ihamba nenkosi. When colonization took place, befika ne-system ye-religion. Besusa laba duzane nenkosi bafaka abantu babo. That is when now bathatha position of guiding amakhosi. When we move kule era yamakhosi sangena kule era I termed it European political system or Western political system, because politics zethu are not African based political system.
Okay.
It's not, it's Western based. Hence we born ukuthi nokusiqala.
Kanti kupho kwethu mara dokotela, like kupho kwethu, because I hear you know, kanti kahle kahle kupho kwethu, the generation that is coming, what is it exactly that they will say, you know what, I own it, it's mine, it's ours.
Yeah, there are many topics. So we'll rather save it for another day. Kukuningi singakhuluma African spirituality, abantu bayiconfuse nje ukuthi mhlawumbe into culture or tradition. It's our way of life. It's another topic of another day, especially in the modern day life. So basusa ke laba kangena bafaka laba babonga abafundisi kula yona kala khona. Manje ke namhlanje abafundisi abagcoba inkosi. So now umfundisi of a foreign religious system. It's foreign to us as Africans. Ugcoba an indigenous traditional person. I am son. wayegcotshwa lo muntu mandulo by a indigenous spiritual person. You understand? Inkosi u-indigenous. Wayegcotshwa by a spiritually indigenous person. Namhlanje u-indigenous ugcotshwa by umfundisi ophethe a foreign religious system. Akhamsani. So we are correcting that. We are saying now kumele agcotshwe abantu babemgcoba phambili. And then I need to elaborate kancane la bazovulela amavesi bakuchazele ngoSamuel, umprofeti uSamuel wagcoba umprofeti uDavid. Point number 1, the story in Christianity is taken from Judaism religion, because almost big story in Christianity. See, we Old Testament. We beg Old Testament yonke nje. It's just a cut and paste here, Judaism religion.
Okay.
Ephuma from what you call Torah. That is the Bible
Yamajuda, yes.
Yeah, remember that kuqala Judaism, Christianity breaks away. Ephuma lapho. Now, misibheke nabamaJuda, subject of another day.
You did, Dokotela, I think we must stop here because I know you are a busy man.
Yes.
You still have other commitment that you need to attend to. I wish we can stay long. We can go and go, but unfortunately. But other than that, I want to say thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and ngicela nje kwande kakhulu kukho konke okwenzayo, and stay humble as you are, and please nisizeni nathi podcasters abasakhula nize nizoshare ulwazi nalabantu ababukela ama channels wethu, because we can only grow with your help and others.
Yes.
My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you enjoyed the episode, and of course I had so much fun talking to Dokotela wa Milana. And before we go, Dokotela, I normally give my guest an opportunity. Now this is your chance to tell the Munchies whatever that you want to tell them, then we are closing the show.
Asibonge Munchies. Asibonge mfrenisho kakhulu njengoba ngisho vele we are busy, but siyalenza ithuba ukuthi sokwazi ukuthi so-informa abantu bethu, because of njengoba ngishilo izwe angekhe libuye kuphela economically, traditionally, culturally, kumele libuye first spiritually, ngoba kula konakala khona kuqala. Sinibonga nani umsebenzi owenza kwama-podcast enu, hence we are here to support you, supporter, because akakho umuntu oyedwa uzolungisa iAfrica. It's going to take us together, ngegift zethu, ne-platforms zethu, nezipho zethu, sebenziseni together ukuthi umuntu omnyama abuyele back kwi-position yakhe. That is, umuntu omnyama is a person of greatness. Masibonga.
Siyabonga. You don't have your coffee?
Yeah.
I still have my juice. My Munchies and Thoughts family, thank you so much for watching us. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, of course. And if you still want Dokotela back, do say it on the comment section. And who knows, Dokotela might make time again to come and spend with us. On that note, it's a wrap for now. And goodbye, darlings. Thank you, Dokotela. I hope you had so much fun with me.
No.
Because I had so much fun with you.